Hello everybody, in this short video I'm going to show you how to make a single file to submit your coursework or lab manual work. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a single PDF or PowerPoint file from multiple pages or multiple pictures. Okay, so first what you have to do is you take pictures of those pages using your cell phone. These days cell phones are pretty good, and you can take nice clean picture of your lab manual using your cell phone. Okay, so after you take the pictures of those pages from your lab manual, what you will do, you will email those pictures to yourself, or you can also send those pictures to yourself using your messenger. Facebook Messenger can be another way. So you send those pictures yourself from your cell phone, and then in your laptop or desktop, what you will do, you will just open the email or messenger and open the picture. Okay, so this is first picture. So I'm going to save the pictures in my laptop or computer. Okay, so to do that you have to just right click on the picture anywhere and then select save as. Okay, and where you want to save, I'm going to save the pictures in my desktop, so it is already selected. You see here desktop, and then I'll give the name of the picture, first picture, as P1, page 1. Okay, and save it. Click save. It will save the picture. Okay, then go to the next picture I sent myself. So this is page number 2. So same way I'm going to right click and save as in my desktop again. So I'll give the name of this one as P2, page number 2. Okay, and save. Okay, so this way you can save multiple pictures. This is another picture I'm going to save. Same way, right click, save as P3. Okay, and save in my desktop. So all those pictures are now in my desktop. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll close this and go to my desktop to find those pictures. Okay, so those pictures are already in my desktop, and you can see here this is P2 and this is P3 here, right? And this is P1 here. So I saved these 3 pictures in my desktop, right? So now I'll do what? You see, you will open the PowerPoint file. In the bottom left, all the way down here, you have 4 tiny rectangular, signs. So you click that one and open the PowerPoint file here. Okay, so this is the PowerPoint, you see, P. So open that. So I have multiple ways to see the PowerPoint. I'll open the blank one because I'm going to import the pictures, right? So open the blank one, and then you see one slide is here. Since I need multiple slides to add all those pictures, very simple, I will just click new slide. So every time you click new slide, a new slide will be added. Another way you can do, just select the slide and Control C, copy and paste. Same thing will happen. Control C and paste. That will add another slide, right? So you can add multiple slides that way. This is something got in. Okay, multiple slides that way. And then go back to first slide, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to import those pictures from the desktop. Okay, so it is very simple. What you will do, you will select insert from top here, top panel, and pictures, then from this device, that means from your computer, this computer, and go to desktop. So since I have saved all the pictures in my desktop, so go to the desktop and you see here those 3 pictures, right? So first I'll bring the P1, so click that one. You see it is already here, right? Now you can position it. It is very simple, just dragging. You can make it bigger, smaller, right? And put anywhere in the center or in your right or left side of the slide. So this is one. Then I'm going to bring P2 picture in this slide. So select the slide and then again go to insert pictures from device, this device, and select P2. It is here already, right? Now this one you have to make it bigger. So just drag from any corner and then position it anywhere. Okay, and then I'll bring the third picture. So select slide number 3 and same way insert pictures from this device. Okay, and then P3. It is already, if you double click, it will be imported already. So you see here, right? Now you can make it bigger. And now I'll show you, if you have like 20 or 30 pages, you can put 2 pictures in one slide. So I'm going to show you how you can put 2 pictures in one slide. So in all these slides you can put more than 1 pictures. 2 is fine. If you put more than 2, then it will be smaller to see, difficult to see. So in this one I'll bring 2. Okay, so I will select and then same way go insert pictures from this device, and I'm going to bring this one as well as the other one. So in this case you have to you can select both together, right? Or you can select bring one at a time. So what I'm going to do, I am going to just select them both. So I have selected, you see, this one and this one both. So you can see check marks. Okay, I have selected both and then insert. So now you have both actually here overlap to each other on each other, so easy to separate them. So what you will do, just deselect and you see here the other one. This one you have to make bigger. This one is already big, so just a little bit. So here you can see both pages are here, right? So now you can do same way in all these 4 slides. You can put 8 pictures, right? 2 in each. So after you do that, it is ready to save. So go to File here, the top left corner, and click Save As. Okay, now the last thing, where you want to save. If I want to save in my desktop, select desktop, and then you give the name of this file like unit 1. So all those pictures will be in unit 1. And in what format you want to save, you can save as PowerPoint, PPTX, or PDF. Let's first save as PowerPoint in my desktop. So save. So it has already been saved. as PowerPoint. Now I'll also save this as PDF. So go again to File, Save As, then Unit 1, give the file name, anything, and then here what you have to do, you have to select, instead of PowerPoint, select PDF and then click Save. Okay. So now it is saving. So already your file has been saved as PowerPoint as well as PDF. Okay. So what I will do now, I'll close and see those files. Okay. So let's see. Should be Unit 1, right? This is, you see, the PowerPoint one, and this is the PDF one already here. Let me open the PDF. Okay, so you can see this is page 1, right? And scroll down, page 2, page 3, page 4. Make sense? So your pictures are in one PDF file. Also same, all those pictures in PowerPoint file. So you can, open now your area where you will submit your lab work and just attach or download this file and submit. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you.